If you've driven in Jamaica, you know it can be a wild ride. Today, I'm going to share some tips on how to handle aggressive drivers on these beautiful but sometimes chaotic roads. First things first, stay calm. Trust me, losing your temper won't help. Breathe, relax, and focus on your own driving. Next, avoid too much eye contact with anyone who is trying to bad drive you. It might seem harmless, but eye contact can actually escalate the situation. Keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. If someone's tailgating you, don't speed up. Instead, find a safe spot to pull over and let them pass. It's not worth risking your life over someone else's impatience. When stopping at traffic lights or intersections, leave enough space between you and the car in front. This gives you an escape route if things get hairy. If you're being followed by an aggressive driver, head to the nearest police station or busy public area. Safety in numbers, right? Also, having a dash cam can be a lifesaver. It documents everything in case the situation goes south. Remember, it's not about winning or proving a point, it's about getting to your destination safely. Road rage incidents can escalate quickly, and it's better to be safe than sorry. Now let's talk about Jamaican roads. They can be narrow, winding, and full of unexpected surprises. Keep an eye out for potholes and pedestrians. Use your horn if you need to, but be courteous. Everyone's just trying to get where they're going. Also, be mindful of the weather. Heavy rains can make roads slippery and reduce visibility. Slow down and turn on your headlights. And hey, if you're feeling overwhelmed, take a break. Pull over, stretch your legs, and enjoy the scenery. Sometimes all you need is a moment to reset. So, to sum it up, stay calm, avoid eye contact, don't engage, and always prioritize your safety. Jamaica is an amazing place, and you want to experience it all in one piece. Thanks for watching and drive safe. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more. And remember, the road is for everyone. Let's make it a safer place for all. Catch you in the next video.